Variable annuities. Let's talk about it for a minute. When I think of annuities, anytime that I hear a negative connotation about annuities, I immediately know what they're referring to, and that's going to be the variable annuities. Let's think of those annuities back in the 80s, the 90s that, didn't seem to benefit anybody but the person on the other end of that policy, the one that didn't actually own the policy. Those are variable annuities. How those are going to work is think of your cash being leveraged, aka have a multiplier. So let's think about when the market does really, really good. Your variable annuity is going to do even better. On the flip, let's think about when the market does really bad. Your variable annuity is going to do even worse. Let's say we have a market downturn. Your variable annuity goes down even more. Maybe you're entering retirement years. You think that's a good product to have? Probably not. I will say, if you're looking at retirement or near retirement or in retirement, a variable annuity is probably not the option for you. There are individuals that a variable annuity is a good fit. I will say not with a lot of our clientele and the people that we work with, because the people that is going to be designed for is going to be your individuals that are okay with taking out an extreme amount of risk. Because as I said, there is an extreme amount of upside potential, but there's also an extreme amount of risk for downside loss. As you near your retirement years, the ordering in which certain events happen, i.e. the market takes a downturn, becomes all the more important, because how much rebound time do we have before we need to start accessing those hard-earned dollars? The thing that people don't discuss a lot is the fees involved with a variable annuity. It's on page 12 of your 17-page disclosure in that fine print. There's a lot of fees. It's what's called the cost of ownership of that policy. So not only do you have more risk, you do have more upside potential, but not only do you have more risk, but you also have a more expensive cost of ownership for this type of product. Give us a call and let's figure out the right type of annuity for you, because there are good annuities out there.